DoorDash and Uber Eats both provide in-app driver support, but the experience depends heavily on the type of problem you're trying to solve. If you're choosing between them based on support alone, DoorDash usually handles active delivery issues more consistently, while Uber Eats often offers faster self-service tools inside the app. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform is better for live order problems, account issues, earnings questions, and everyday driver support. If your biggest concern is getting help during an active delivery, DoorDash has the edge for many drivers. The Dasher app includes options to contact support directly from the current order, making it easier to report a closed restaurant, missing items, or customer issues without leaving the delivery screen. That can reduce delays when you're already on the road. Uber Eats also provides in-app support during deliveries, but drivers often rely on automated prompts before reaching a live representative. For simple problems, that works well because you can complete many actions yourself. For more complicated situations, getting connected to the right person can sometimes take longer. Now let's talk about account support. If your account is temporarily paused, you have a document verification problem, or you're dealing with a background check question, both companies usually direct drivers through their help centers first. Uber Eats has a large library of support articles inside the driver app. DoorDash also provides detailed help articles, but some drivers report that responses can vary, depending on which support agent handles the case. Earnings questions are another common reason drivers contact support. Both platforms allow you to review trip history and payment details directly in the app before contacting support. If an adjustment is needed, you'll normally submit the issue through the earnings section rather than calling immediately. That means many payment questions can be resolved without waiting for a live agent. The biggest difference comes down to consistency. DoorDash drivers often prefer having easier access to live help during active deliveries. Uber Eats drivers frequently appreciate the cleaner self-service experience for routine questions that don't require an agent. So which one has better support in 2026? Choose DoorDash if you want stronger assistance while you're actively completing deliveries. Choose Uber Eats if you prefer solving common problems yourself through built-in help tools before contacting support. The key points are simple. DoorDash is generally stronger during live deliveries. Uber Eats offers solid self-service resources. Both can resolve account and payment issues, but the experience depends on the situation. If you're deciding between the two, install both apps and explore their help sections before accepting your first delivery. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.